Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Smash Bros. Ultimate on PC using Ryujinx. Ryujinx is a fantastic Nintendo Switch emulator that brings your favorite games to your personal computer. To get started, it is vital to ensure your PC has sufficient power. We recommend at least 8 GB of RAM, a modern quad-core processor, and a dedicated graphics card with at least 4 GB of RAM for the best experience. This setup will help ensure smooth and enjoyable gameplay. Next, you will need to gather a few essential files. First, download the Ryujinx emulator itself from its official source. Then, you will need the latest Nintendo Switch firmware, typically found as a zip archive. Additionally, acquire the current production keys, which are small files that allow Ryujinx to decrypt and run games. Finally, and most importantly, you must legally dump your own Super Smash Bros. Ultimate game file, usually in NSB or XCI format, from your personal Switch console. With the files in hand, it is time to configure Ryujinx. First, install the firmware and production keys by navigating to the Ryujinx options menu. Next, fine-tune your graphics settings. Consider setting the resolution scale to 2 times for a sharper image if your PC can handle it. Then, set up your controls, mapping your gamepad or keyboard to mimic a Nintendo Switch Pro controller. Finally, enable a synchronous GPU emulation in the settings for a noticeable improvement in game fluidity and performance. Now for the exciting part, launching Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. Simply drag and drop your game file, either in NSB or XCI, into the Ryujinx window or add its directory through the settings. Once the game appears in your Ryujinx library, a simple double-click will start the emulation process. You might experience a brief loading period, but soon you will be battling it out in Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, enjoying the game on your personal computer with excellent performance and visuals. Have fun!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.